and we are well known for the best and the fastest. And we complete each and every project on time. We are well known for that. Moving on to our project that or why automation. Automation is a software or interface where one can post their projects, and some developers can work on it on their leisure time and earn some rewards in their leisure time. And in this way, some works is also be done in a good way, and upliftment of our nation also occurs. Now, the first thing, the project is divided into three parts. One is the employee part, and the manager part, and the director part. In the employee part, what happens? The employee in the employee part, the employee solves the problem which is given by the project manager, and when several employees can opt for the particular problem, the best problem, the best less complexity according to time and space management, the best problem is choose, and according to that they are given the reward and the packages by the director. Now moving to the next slide. Now our future plans. Initially, this is the first soul the baby project, and we in this project we have find out the best algorithm for the database connections, so that the database tables are very finely created, and the queries and all work at the maximum fast level, and user get a flexible database and interactive session. And next, our plan. Next, we have also planned for the future one, that is flexible search. Suppose in Google search we can search, we can type some things several times, and it comes in the beginning. So in our search also, suppose some employee is good in Java programming, so he will get the Java programming at first. According to that, the sorting will be done, and after that the other language will come. So it will be easy for him to choose his best and do the programs on his strong points. And next, the third one is chatting service.